What was Brooklyn College like in the 1950s?
Well, it was, I wouldn't say a hotbed of radicalism, but it was very liberal. And they introduced ROTC while I was there, and we had big pickets because we didn't want the military on the campus. So that was a big issue. There were sit-ins at the president's office. The president of Brooklyn College was a very reactionary person. So he put down things like Howard Fass was supposed to speak on campus. He wasn't permitted to. So students set up a soapbox right outside the fence of Brooklyn College, and Howard Fass stood on the box and did his presentation out off campus. And believe me, there were hundreds of students out there listening to him. So, I mean, I was not politically active, but I was a leftist.